Have you ever wondered what makes a watch truly timeless? Is there a timepiece that perfectly balances between heritage and vogue? What secrets lie within the Tissot Chemin de Tourelles? And most importantly, is this the watch that deserves a spot on your wrist? Let's find out. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy, where we delve into the world of horology to find watches that are truly worth your time. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a watch that promises to blend tradition with innovation. The Tissot Chemin de Tourelles. Tissot was established in 1853 in Les Locales, Switzerland, and it has been a pioneer in the watchmaking industry and known for their commitment to quality and innovation. Tissot has introduced several firsts, including first mass-produced pocket watch and the first anti-magnetic watch. The Tissot Chemin de Tourelles collection is named after the street where Tissot's factory was established and can still be found today. Today, Tissot stands out as a testament to Swiss watchmaking excellence, offering a range of timepieces that cater to both traditionalists and modern enthusiasts. Tissot is a go-to brand for many watch lovers, and their affiliation with Swatch Group ensures accessibility to various markets. The watch comes in a 42mm stainless steel case with the thickness of 10.9 mm and offers a comfortable presence on the wrist. The lug width is 21 mm, which is a bit odd, so finding aftermarket straps might take a little hunting. But here's the good news. It comes fitted with a beautiful butterfly clasp. Instead of the usual pin buckle that bends the strap every time when you wear it, this deployment style clasp opens and closes with a smooth mechanism. It not only adds a more polished look, but also saves the strap from wear and tear. It feels secure and adds a premium feel when you put the watch on or take it off. The leather strap on this watch is well stitched and has a nice grain that adds to the watch's overall character. It's not the softest out of the box, but give it a few wear and it'll mold to your wrist like a glove. While the official MRP stands at 81,500 Indian rupees or $875 US, you can find it for around 40,000 to 45,000 in India and between 400 to 500 US on platforms like Tata Click, Joma Shop or Chrono24. It's also available on Ethos watches in India. When compared to models like Tissot Les Locales or Tissot Gentleman, Chemin de Tourelles stands out with its Powermatic 80 movement and elegant designs. While Les Locales leans more towards the classic aesthetic, the Chemin de Tourelles offers a modern twist, making it versatile for various occasions. The watch features a polished stainless steel case and offers a sleek and refined look. The see-through case back allows a glimpse into the intricate Powermatic 80 movement. In simple terms, it's the engine inside the watch, but instead of needing a battery or daily winding, it runs on your wrist movement. Most automatic watches runs out of juice in about 40 hours if you don't wear them. But the Powermatic 80 gives you a full 80 hours of power reserve. That means you can take it off Friday evening, forget it all weekend, and it'll still be ticking on Monday morning. The case back has information about watch model number, serial number, sapphire crystal, 23 jewels movement, and the watch is 50-meter water resistant. The dial is protected by domed sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating. The blue dial is adorned with silver tone hands, and Roman numeral are markers at 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock position. A date window is positioned at 6 o'clock. The dial is beautifully segmented into two distinct zones. The inner circle flaunts a rich sunburst texture that plays with light beautifully, and the outer ring is adorned with a classic guilloche pattern, reminiscent of that refined brigade style. The watch features sleek silver index hands, but fair warning, there is no lume on the watch, so nighttime visibility takes a backseat to elegance. Overall, the Tissot Chemin de Tourelles Powermatic 80 is a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. Its design elements and specifications makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile timepiece. And here are the pros and cons. Now it's time to try this on and find out if it is wrist-worthy or not. I've been wearing this watch for a few days now, and let me tell you, it wears like a charm. The 42mm case has a nice wrist presence and it does not feel bulky at all. The curve of the lugs makes it sit snug and flat. That leather strap with the butterfly clasp, super comfortable and feels premium right out of the box. The Powermatic 80 movement is smooth, and I did not feel the need to wind it even once during regular wear. There are no sharp edges and no awkward fit, just a solid, confidence-boosting wrist companion. If you are someone who actually wears their watches and not just collect them, this one won't disappoint. If you are in the market for a watch that offers Swiss craftsmanship, elegant design, and reliable performance, Chemin de Tourelles is a worthy contender. It really shows how far Tissot has come in delivering well-built, reliable watches with smart design choices. So what do you guys think of the Tissot watches? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, time is of the essence, and having a reliable timepiece is the key. If this video has helped you in deciding for Tissot watches as your next watch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wrist-worthy content. That's it for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.